Okay, this is the next page. Morgan found a piece of gold and he held it up angrily. Morgan is the name of a pirate from the team members. He is one of the pirates. So he found finally just a piece of gold and he held it up in his hand, very in an angry mood. He was very angry. It was a 2 guinea piece and it went from hand to hand among them for a minute or so. It was just a 2 guinea piece, means it's just a coin of 2 guinea, and other member of the pirates, they were just snatching that 2 guinea coin from one hand to another, and it was moving from one hand to another for a minute. 2 guineas only, roared Mary. Mary is the another pirate. Mary is the name of another pirate. So he was also roaring. He was also in an angry mood. He was saying, just 2 guinea. Shaking it at Silver. Shaking it is showing it to Silver and saying, just 2 guineas. That is your 700,000 pounds, is it? Means Silver told them, let's go to that particular place. We will get 700,000 pounds and dig that pit. You will surely get. But after digging a lot, they found only 2 guineas. So all of the members, all of the team members, they were angry on Long John Silver. Dig away, boys, commanded Silver. And Silver, with the coolest look, he is again repeating, you dig the ground, you will surely get. You will surely find that treasure. Friends, do you hear that? Mary screamed. Again Mary, the pirate, screamed, shouted on other, and he is saying that, friends, do you hear that? Have you heard that what Silver said? I tell you now, that man there knew it all along. That man means the Silver, he knew everything. Look in the face of him. He knew everything, that we will not get anything into this pit, but he is telling us to dig that pit and we will get a treasure. But we will not get anything here because everything is written on his face, and we can see that he is telling a lie. Ah, Mary, said Silver, you are standing for captain again. Silver shouting on Mary, means another pirate, and saying that you are standing for captain again. You are trying to be the captain. Don't ever forget that I am the captain of this team, and don't try to be the captain because you are a pushing lad. You are a small boy, and to be sure, you are a small boy. So don't try to be captain and try to follow my instructions. This time everyone was entirely in Mary's favor. But this time everybody is supporting Mary and they are against Long John Silver. They began to scramble out of the deep pit. They started coming out of the deep pit, casting furious glance at Long John Silver, and they were looking very angrily at Long John Silver. I observed that they all got out on the opposite side from Silver. What the narrator is saying? Narrator is saying that he found that all the other team members of Long John Silver, they scrambled out, they came out of the pit, and they are standing the opposite side of Silver. They are not standing along with the Silver. Well, they were stood, Silver and I on one side. Silver and I means Long John Silver and the narrator. These two persons are standing at the one side, and other pirates means Morgan, Mary, they were standing at the another side of the pit, and in between there was that pit. Silver never moved, but Silver not moved from his place. He was just watching them, very upright on his crutch. Very upright on his crutch means the stick by the help of which he was walking, and just on the top from that crutch he was looking to all those pirates, and looked as cool as ever I saw him. And he was looking very cool and very calm, though his team members are now against him, but still he is very cool and calm, and he was just simply looking at them. He was brave and no mistake, and after seeing his face I was sure that he is a brave person, and there was no doubt in that. Jim, he whispered. Who whispered? Silver whispered. Jim. And this Jim is the boy who was tightened by that rope, or who is the narrator of the story. So Jim, he whispered. Silver whispered, take that and be ready for trouble. Take that means, what is that? We will come to know afterwards. Take that and be ready for trouble. Saying, take this and be ready for some trouble. What he handed? He handed me the musket. So he handed Jim. Jim is the narrator. Me here is also the narrator. What? Musket. Musket is a kind of a gun. At last Mary said, mates, there are two of them alone there. One, the old cripple with a crutch. It was his idea. He had brought us here. The other is only a boy. I want him. Now, friends. Now Mary again shouted, Mary trying to be the captain, and he is ordering the other members of the pirates that, mates, friends, there are two of them. At the other side, only two were standing. One is the cripple, the shrewd, the old cripple who is standing on his crutch, means Long John Silver, and the boy, and the only boy, that is Jim, and I want him. I want him means Mary want that boy. Now, friends. He raised his arm to shoot. Just then, crack, 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 3 gunshots came from behind. Mary fell. The pirates with a bandage fell on his side. The other 3 buccaneers turned and ran as fast as they could. So he raised his arm to shoot. Who is he? Mary. Just raised his arm to shoot. Just within a minute, crack, 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 3 gunshots came from behind. Who's behind? Jim's behind. Mary fell. Means the shot was directly on Mary and Mary fell down. The pirate with a bandage fell on his side. And the pirate who is having bandage, let's see the picture, then we can understand who is having the bandage over here. I think this one is talking about this pirate. He also fell by the side of Mary. The other 3 buccaneers, they turned and ran as fast as they could. So Mary and another pirate, they fell down, and the remaining 3 buccaneers, they just ran away from that particular place because Silver may shoot them too. At the same moment, Dr. Livesey, Gray, and Ben Gunn joined us, coming from the wood. So after the buccaneers ran away from that place, the another team member, and the members were Dr. Gray, Ben Gunn, they joined whom? They joined Long John Silver and Jim.